Listening very well. Wish you were like this in class. All right, so there's worship artistry. And I'm going to do relentless. Why? So I'm going to search. Sometimes, have you noticed search doesn't like to come up straight away? I don't know why. It's coming. Okay, there we go. I'm going to do relentless. You might have chosen Waymaker or We Are Free. I'm going to click into it. You guys go ahead and do the same thing as I'm doing. Sometimes worship artistry is a bit of a challenge. It takes a bit of time. It teaches you the fruit of the Spirit. All right, I'm going to go to the piano. Not sure if there's a drum score, Antonio, Michael. Right, down to the chart. I want the chart on. And I want to see, when I click on the notes, I can see all the different versions. All the different versions that are available. And for this is all I'm going to get. So I have also put a version with the notes in week 2's lesson. If that's what you would prefer to use, you can actually do this from that. So I'm going to then go to, this is the most important thing. I'm going to go to the printer icon, and then I get a really nice, clean view of the chart, but I'm not going to print. So there you go, you can see it's a lovely, really nice looking view. I'm going to go to search and I'm going to choose snip, which is a really cool thing. It's like a little digital pair of scissors. And I click on new, and then I draw a box. Now you watch, this is where the magic happens, people. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go back to my task sheet and, oh, this is the wrong one. Okay, so go into where I have to put it, which is snip the sheet music you are using from worship artistry and copy here. Control V, and I've put it in. That's all you have to do, you snip it in. Okay, I'm going to stop that video and I'm going to put it on